So you must have noticed that every day new projects are bringing out their tap to earn airdrop games on the Ton blockchain. So if you are someone who is getting into all this, you will need a wallet that is specifically supporting the Ton blockchain. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a TonKeeper wallet so that you can participate in these airdrop games. So the first step that you need to do is go to Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, you can go to App Store and search for TonKeeper. Now you have to install the one that you see with a diamond logo, with a blue diamond logo. So you need to install that. Now once that is installed, let's open it. So when you open, you can see two options over there, which is import existing wallet and create a new wallet. So since you are a new user, you need to create a new wallet. So we are going to tap on create new wallet. Now here you need to enter the password. It could be any password. So make sure you don't forget the password, because if you want to enter back into this app, you need to know the password. So I'm going to type my password, re-enter the password. Now that you have set your password, you can either enable the notification or just click on later. I'm going to click later. And then, so this is the TonKeeper wallet. Now once you are inside the wallet, the first step that you need to do without forgetting is backup the wallet recovery phrase. Now this recovery phrase is very important. If you lose it, you won't be able to access your wallet. In case you delete TonKeeper from this phone and you want to install it again. And once you have installed it, you need this recovery phrase to enter into the same wallet. So first thing you have to go is click on backup the wallet recovery phrase and then click on continue. Now enter your password again. So these 24 words are your recovery phrase, and make sure you write it down in a paper according to the number. So here are a few things that you need to keep in mind. So do not take screenshot of this recovery phrase, or do not add it to any Google Drive or anywhere where it is connected to the internet. Make sure you write it down on a piece of paper and hide it somewhere where you can find it again. So this recovery phrase is what that gets you into the wallet back again. So make sure you write it down and do not take screenshot of this. So once you have done with it, you can click on check backup. Now here you need to reconfirm the word. So the fourth word, you type in the fourth word, you type in the 8th word, you type in the 15th word, and then you are good to go. So make sure you write it down and then click on done. So this is how you create a TonKeeper wallet. It's simple as that. In the next video, I'll be showing you a complete guide of this TonKeeper wallet and how you can use it. So for that, make sure you subscribe and also stay tuned for more videos like this.